The equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c, m being the gradient of the line, c being the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis. So we're going to find the equation of each of these coloured lines on the graph here. I'm going to start with the orange one. To find the gradients, what we do is we mark 2 points where it hits the intersection lines there, and then we draw in a little triangle like this. This distance is 1, this distance is 3, and the gradient is the vertical distance divided by the horizontal distance, in this case 3. So the equation of this line is y is equal to m is 3, so 3x, c, well it hits here at -1, so 3x minus 1. Similar idea for the red line. I'm going to look at, let's do from here to here. So it goes like this. My horizontal distance is 2. My vertical distance, notice it's going down, so it's dropped by 4, so it's -4. So the gradient of the red line is -4 over 2, which is -2. So the equation of the red line is y is equal to m, which is -2, x, c this time is 4. So y is equal to -2x plus 4. Finally, my green line, again, looking at these 2 points here and here, there's my vertical and horizontal distances there, so 1 and 3. So the gradient of this one is 1 over 3. I just leave it as a third. You could work that as a decimal, but it's untidy. Leave it as a third. So our equation is y is equal to m, 1/3, x, and c this time is -2. So that is the equation of each of those 3 lines. Draw yourself on a little right angled triangle, vertical divided by horizontal, or run divided by rise to get the gradient. If the line is going down, it's a negative gradient. Over here on the second question here, this is more difficult because they haven't drawn a grid for us, but if in doubt, sketch it out. So A is roughly down here at 1,6, and B is up here at 3,12. Now, the gradient is vertical divided by horizontal. So that's the line that goes through it. My horizontal distance is from there to there. My vertical distance is from there to there. I can work out what this distance is by looking at the x-coordinates. It starts at x as 1, goes to x as 3, so that's 2. Looking at the vertical distance, it starts at y as 6, ends up at y as 12, so 12 take away 6 is 6. And from that, I get my gradient, which is 6 divided by 2, so the gradient is 3. So, a good start. I know that my equation is y is equal to mx plus c, so it's y is equal to 3x plus c. I still don't know what that plus c is. I could trace this back and work it out like that, but the easiest way to get the value of c is to use one or the other of the 2 points that the line passes through. I'm going to use b, but you could use a, you'll get the same result. Looking at b, it tells us that x is 3 when y is equal to 12. And if I swap that into that, I get 12 is equal to 3 times x, 3 times 3 plus c. So I end up with 12 is equal to 9 plus c. If I subtract 9 from both sides, I end up with 3 is equal to c. So therefore the equation of my line is y is equal to 3x plus c, which is 3. Check it by looking at the other coordinates. So the y value is 3x plus 3. Okay, if the x value is 1, 3 times 1 is 3, add 3 is 6, so it works.